Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that has revolutionized the way businesses store, access, and manage their data and applications. In this article, we will discuss the history of cloud computing, how it works, what skills are needed to learn it, the advantages and disadvantages of using it, future demand for cloud computing. History. Cloud computing has been around for decades, but it wasn't until the early 2000s that it became mainstream. The idea of cloud computing was first introduced in the 1960s, when computer scientist John McCarthy proposed that computing resources could be sold like a utility. In the 1990s, companies such as Amazon and Google began building massive data centers to store and manage their growing amount of data. However, it wasn't until Amazon launched its Elastic Compute Cloud (EC2) service in 2006 that cloud computing began to gain traction. How it works. It allows users to access computing resources, such as servers, storage, and applications, over the Internet. Instead of purchasing and maintaining their own hardware and infrastructure, businesses can rent these resources from cloud service providers on a pay-as-you-go basis. This allows businesses to scale their computing resources up or down as needed, without the need for significant upfront investments. There are three main types of cloud computing services. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. This service provides businesses with virtualized computing resources, such as servers, storage, and networking. Platform as a service, PaaS. This service provides businesses with a platform for developing, testing, and deploying their own applications. Software as a service, SaaS. This service provides businesses with access to pre-built applications, such as email, CRM, and accounting software. Skills required. To learn cloud computing, one needs to have a strong foundation in computer science, including programming languages, networking, and security. Some of the coding skills required for cloud computing are Python. Python is a popular language for cloud computing because of its simplicity, readability, and ease of use. It is commonly used for automation, machine learning, data analytics, and web development. Java. Java is a widely used programming language for building large-scale enterprise applications. It is particularly useful for developing server-side applications in the cloud. C#. C# is a programming language used primarily for developing Microsoft applications, including those that run on the cloud. Ruby. Ruby is a popular scripting language used for web development and cloud-based applications. It is particularly useful for building web applications that are scalable and easy to maintain. JavaScript. JavaScript is a widely used language for front-end web development and is also used for back-end development on the cloud. Additionally, one needs to be familiar with cloud computing platforms, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. It's important to keep up with the latest trends and developments in the field, as cloud computing is a rapidly evolving technology. Advantages. Cost savings. businesses can save money by renting computing resources from cloud service providers instead of purchasing and maintaining their own hardware and infrastructure. Scalability. Businesses can easily scale their computing resources up or down as needed, without the need for significant upfront investments. Accessibility. These resources can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing businesses to work remotely and collaborate with others. Security. Providers have security measures in place to protect data from cyber threats. Disadvantages. Dependence on internet connectivity. Cloud computing resources can only be accessed over the internet, so businesses are dependent on having a reliable internet connection. Limited control. Businesses have limited control over the infrastructure and security of their cloud computing resources, as these are managed by the cloud service provider. Data privacy. Businesses may be hesitant to store sensitive data on a third-party server as there is a risk of data breaches. Future demand. The demand for cloud computing is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. According to a report by Gartner, worldwide public cloud revenue is projected to reach $331.2 billion by 2022, up from $260.2 billion in 2017. This growth is driven by the increasing need for businesses to store, manage, and access large amounts of data, as well as the need for greater flexibility and scalability in computing resources. Conclusion. Indeed, it has brought about a paradigm shift in the world of technology, offering a wide range of benefits such as cost savings, scalability, flexibility, and security. Thank you for watching. If you want more new videos, like, comment and subscribe or follow in this channel. Don't forget to share with your friends.